Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether nonprofits can open an account with NorthOne. NorthOne is an online-only financial technology company that offers business bank accounts. They are popular with freelancers, startups, and small businesses. According to their website, they provide business accounts for a variety of entities, including sole proprietorships, LLCs, and corporations. They also highlight features tailored for entrepreneurs, like high-yield interest, no hidden fees, and seamless integrations with popular accounting software. However, a nonprofit is a specific type of corporation. While NorthOne doesn't explicitly state that they do or don't serve nonprofits, the required documentation for opening a business account with them typically includes an employer identification number, EIN, and business formation documents like articles of incorporation and bylaws, which are standard for nonprofits. It's always recommended to contact NorthOne's customer support directly to confirm their policies regarding nonprofit accounts and to understand any specific requirements or limitations they may have for organizations with tax-exempt status. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.